Friends, today's chess video is going to be very important, so watch the video completely because it will be beneficial for you. Now let's quickly watch the game. This game starts with the queen's pawn open on d4. Black plays knight f6. It is called an Indian game. Okay, good. Then white plays pawn c4. Black plays pawn e5. This is called the Budapest Gambit. Oh my god, what a critical step. White understands this and he plays bishop's g5. Black has taken it and white has taken this pawn with the queen. Then the knight is coming to the c6 square and it is attacking the white queens. Black's best move in this position is queen e7, but he moved the queen back to the d1 square. Then black plays bishop's f5. White's best move in this position is to pawn e3, but he develops his knight to the f3 square. This may seem like a good move to you, but wait a few seconds and see where the game goes from here. Yes, it is the queen's sacrifice, but sorry, brother. The next move is bishop f2, waiting to checkmate. Okay, boss, sorry. Return to previous position. In this position, if black plays the bishop h4 to avoid checkmate, then we will play like this and checkmate. Guys, return to the previous position. Okay, in fact, black's best move in this position was the bishop e3. We took it, he took it, and then we can castling. Now look at the board and see what happened to the white king. And white is far behind in terms of development. Was the video helpful to you? Please comment and let me know, and see you in my next video. Always be well and healthy. Tada and bye-bye.